Hello kids, let's learn shapes name with me.
Which shape is this? This is a square. Square.
Which shape is this? This is a circle. Circle. This is a rectangle. Rectangle. This is a triangle. Triangle. Which shape is this? This is a cone. Cone. This is an oval. Oval. This is a cylinder. Cylinder. This is an oval. Oval. And which shape is this? This is a rhombus. Rhombus. This is a pentagon. 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 This is a hexagon. Hexagon. This is a heptagon. Heptagon. This is an octagon. Octagon. This is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. This is a parallelogram. Parallelogram. This is a cross. 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 This is a heart. Heart. This is a star. Star. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more educational videos.